Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Bubba in Kentucky on this Galaxy dx99v2. Bubba, this is ready to go back in the cab of your tractor. Repaired and ready to go. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Half-watt carrier. Roll it all the way up. About 6 watts. 100-watt slug, average power. Low 15 bird. Peak power, low 40 watts. Alright, Bubba, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.